So today we're going to go ahead and take a look at NWEA class reports. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and log in to the NWEA, and this will take you to the teacher page, which will provide you with all your MAP growth reports. Go ahead and click on that. So class reports are great because they give you a list of all the students in your class, how they're doing as a whole, finding the mean, median, being able to compare the students to district-wide and national averages. So we're going to go ahead and click on class reports, and you'll find your class. I'm going to click on sample class report to show you what that looks like. So as you can see in this class report, there's a lot of different information that you can find. Up at the top, this will give you the term rostered, the time tested, the district, and then you can move over to the summary. Here it tells you how many students you have, as well as the average mean, the median RIT, and other pieces of information that you may need. As you move down, it'll also show you the different levels of the students in the classroom. So for instance, this one is reading. Here is the goal area. So we really want students to be looking into the yellow and moving into the green. So this teacher, for instance, has 2 students that are in the green and at 18%, and 2 students in the yellow. So it shows you how the class is doing as a whole. As you move down, you can see all the different students in your classroom. So here's a list of all the students. I'll click on here. So here is all your students. And what's great is this shows you their scores, their percentiles, if you need Lexile. Also test duration, which can be very important. So if a student's test was, say, 12 minutes, it probably wouldn't be the most valid piece of information. But as you can see, these students probably took most of their time to score what they needed to. And then it goes into the different goal performances. So for instance, literature, you can see this student's literature is pretty low, but their vocabulary, level C, is a 187. So they're very strong in vocabulary, but are having some problems in literature, level A. That's not very good. Matches up here. And their vocabulary matches up here. And informational text is B. So it gives you a lot of pieces of information. The bold means it's their strongest area. And so if you're looking at what students may be struggling in or what you think you may need to focus on, this is a great opportunity to take a look at those areas that classes as a whole could be struggling in and really focusing in to identify those particular weaknesses, or looking at their strengths and seeing what they can add on to as a class or in small groups. It's great for forming groups as well, helping out in small group or differentiating throughout the chapters. So this is the class reports for MAP growth.